So hey guys, it's your girl Vaughn and welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all like my little hairdo. Hey, oh. So y'all, I got this new ring light and it just looks good. Just look at the lightning. Like, just look at it. It is amazing. No more standing by mirrors and by windows and stuff. Like, this light is amazing. I was so happy when I got it. Like, I was so happy when I got it. I could. Ooh.
If he did it, we have to do it.
Oh, okay. Oh.
I just couldn't buy it.
So I got it from Amazon and it was like $115 and it is amazing. So let's go ahead and get started because y'all, oh, look at this. Okay. Woo. Okay, so I had these braids in for like 2 weeks now, going on 3, and they still look good. Show y'all. They look good. So they still look good and I still like them. And this is how much new growth that I have so far within 2 weeks. Say 2 weeks and a half, if that makes sense. So it is about that time for me to oil my hair again. And like I said, I oil my hair every other day. So I didn't oil it yesterday. So today will be the day that I oil it. So only thing that I do is spray bottle, nothing but water. And my main choice, growth oil. And this stuff is amazing. It's great. Okay. So I just spray my hair with water first, just water, and it's a little bit warm. It's not too cold because it's cold outside, and plus it's open up my pores more than, well, better than the cold water. So I just, it's still cold. Anyways, I just spray this. So now I just part my hair. Well, not really part because it's already parted, but I just, you know, put it like in this little section that it's parted in and just oil from there. All I do is just massage it in. And me, I'm the type of person to where, like, I'm the type of person, I massage my hair throughout the day. Especially like when I have new growth, y'all, I would be in class just playing with my new growth. Like, I don't know if I'm the only one, if that's weird, but I play with my new growth. I mean, welcome. You gotta give it some type of welcoming, and I just play with it. I like to touch my new growth. Look how huge this is. Okay, so I was just showing you guys how I oil my hair and what do I do. Like I said, I had these braids up for 2 weeks now, going on 3, and that's how much new growth I got. So you should try the oil. I will also be using the Nature Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails Gummies. I've been using these for like pretty much ever since I've been natural. I have been using these, but they've been the strawberry kind. So this is orange, as you see, and we're gonna see how the orange tastes. So this is a brand new bottle, 90. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, they have 90 gummies in there, and you take 2 a day. At least I take 2 a day. You can take how many you want. That's huge. They smell like medicine, like the little kids' medicine. It smells good. Let me pick this up. It smells good. Alright, so this is what the gummy looks like. They do have like the strawberry and raspberry kind. I always got the strawberries, but today they didn't have it, so orange it is. So I will be taking these for 90 days. And I have not started taking these yet, so this is the growth from my hair, and maybe just, you know, the growth from the oil. So these are the bomb. Get it, use it, try it, buy it. Hey. But anyways, main choice growth oil and Nature Bounty's Hair, Skin, and Nails. And like, these are my nails. It is time for them to get painted again, so I got some new nail polish. Hey. So anyways, these are my nails. They're all mine. And yes, they do break off. Like, my 2 thumbs are gone, but I have the rest. So working with that. But yeah, I have been using that for like 6 months, probably even, I know before then, but since I've been natural for like 6 months, and they have been a miracle, and they still are a miracle. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell the friends to hit subscribe. Let them know Vaughn got a YouTube page. Vaughn doing a hair. She natural now. Like, go follow her. Go follow her. So it's not that hard, I promise you not. All you have to do is get on there and hit the button. It's just the button, like, that's all you gotta do. But anyways, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.